Hi ladies and gentlemen, welcome to our Shumatt's live channel. I'm Caitlin. Today we would like to show you our hot sealing valve assembly for you, and now please follow me. Let's see it together. Firstly, I will show you the outside package, the blue VCI anti-rust bag, and here this is the label. And the first line is our Shumatt's brand, the second line is the product code F00RJ02806. Actually, the logo label packages all the details we can support customized service. And the inside is the transparent bottles can be better avoid damages during the translation. Now we will check the inside part for you. 1 layer of oil paper to wrap it up, and each product we supply with 6 months warranty time. So if you've got the packages not set with the quality at that time, you can return or exchange the product. For this valve assembly, and its supply cable injector number is 04451201110, and apply cable for vehicle car is for YUCHAL. This is the valve cap, and here with the coating figures on the groove. And this is the valve rod. Actually, if you want to install the valve assembly, first step, make sure the valve cap in the right position. And the second step is make sure the valve rod can be moved smoothly off the injector body. That's the tips. Okay, that's all. Thank you for watching. Let's see you next time. Here, wish you have a good day. Bye.